The Ensto Cold Shrink outdoor termination is a state-of-the-art solution for terminating high-voltage power cables in outdoor environments. This innovative product is designed to provide a reliable and durable seal that can withstand the harsh conditions of the outdoors, including extreme temperatures, high winds, and heavy precipitation. One of the key features of the Ensto Cold Shrink outdoor termination is its ease of use. Unlike traditional termination methods that require heat, adhesives, or other specialized tools, the Ensto Cold Shrink outdoor termination can be installed quickly and easily without the need for any additional equipment. The Ensto Cold Shrink outdoor termination is made of high-quality materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of the outdoors. The product features a unique cold shrink tubing that contracts when it is placed over the cable, providing a tight, secure seal that will not degrade over time. The Ensto Cold Shrink outdoor termination is perfect for use in a variety of applications, including power plants, substations, and other industrial settings. It is also ideal for use in remote or hard-to-reach location, as it does not require any special equipment or training to install.